asset trackers are engineered to protect your asset by GPS tracking and designed to simply mount in or under your possession. Today we will be installing the Weatherproof Asset Tracker. For this installation, make sure you have the required tools available. Before you install your asset tracker, be sure to note the serial number. You will need that number to activate your device. Make sure you charge the battery by connecting the red power wire and black ground wire to a 12-volt power source for 4 hours before installation. Once fully charged, identify the location to install the EFS-CA1200. Main power installation. Connect the red wire to 12-volt constant power or directly to the asset's battery. Connecting the ignition wire. Connect the white ignition wire to a power source that has power when the asset is turned on and running. If the asset you're installing on does not have an ignition source available, you can connect the white wire directly to the vehicle's battery. After installation, move the asset outside and let it run for 5 minutes, allowing the device time to establish communication with the network. Once you install the device, you can activate your products at activatemyecomaster.com. For any additional questions, please visit ecomasterfleetsolutions.com.